It is day 7 in the search for Nancy Guthrie, the mother of Today Show host Savannah Guthrie. In the last 24 hours, Arizona authorities questioned and released a man in connection with the case. The man was taken in just after the FBI released this video of a masked man outside Guthrie's home the night she disappeared. That video is proving invaluable to the FBI, but it is also raising questions tonight about privacy and whether companies like Ring and Google Nest are storing customer video data even when they claim it's been deleted. Here's Ian Russell. Ian?
Yeah, well, Julie, obviously we want to be very clear here that the most important thing is that Nancy Guthrie is found safe. That's above anything else. That being said, there are a lot of questions as to how authorities were able to retrieve video after saying that there was no video available. So I asked a cybersecurity expert how that could have happened.
In neighborhoods across the country, front doors are dotted with doorbell cameras.
These cameras are becoming more and more ubiquitous in our society.
From Ring to Nest to dozens of others, cybersecurity expert Bryce Austin says they're all over. Many used to keep an eye on what's happening. And in Arizona,
they are on most streets and they honestly have some utility.
They're part of a potential key break in figuring out what happened to Nancy Guthrie.
A horrible thing has happened to her, and hopefully this helps provide some benefit.
Authorities released these photos and videos of a masked person at Guthrie's door. This comes after the Pima County Sheriff previously said there was no video available because Guthrie didn't have a subscription with her Google Nest camera. Google's own website says that all video history is deleted on a rolling basis, so where did this video come from? CNN sources say Google engineers were able to recover the video after several days, something Austin says isn't surprising.
But even though their primary system does get purged every so often, possibly, the backups normally aren't. There is no question that Nest is trying to help law enforcement find a very likely criminal. That is a good thing, and I want to applaud their efforts. Having said that, the privacy concerns of this are also concerning.
A potential break in the search for Guthrie, raising secondary questions as well.
And the thought that those videos are going to exist somewhere, somehow, in perpetuity is a more and more reasonable assumption for all of us to make.
Now, Austin also says having Guthrie's address likely made it easier to track down that video. Julie?
Yeah, I think that was the overall reaction on social media anyway, and in social circles was, wow, they have video. And then it was that second question of how. So
exactly.
It's a
yeah, how were they able
topic.
to get something like this when they said for days that there was no video available?
All right. Thank you, Ian.